This is Airplane Joe. '05. This is the airplane video for '05 Air Glide. I don't have any videos for this. This is the first mock, but I will have videos. I don't have them yet, but this is gonna be the first video that I have for Airplane Joe. Air Glide. You can see I got a long one right here. This guy and this guy are my biggest. This guy's my biggest. He's longer than me. And my brother. He's staying in the video. So let's walk over here. I'm gonna teach you how to hold this airplane since it's like so big. See, if I just hold it with one, like you throw it regular airplane, it might work like that, but it might go like that. So I would throw it like this. It's probably gonna snap its neck. Yeah, I told you. I knew it was gonna snap its neck. So next video. Well, not next video. So next try. Not count either. Sometimes it'll take a couple throws for you to the power. Always does this. That happens all the time. Let's go. Well, that kind of worked, but who cares? So let's do another one. It never works. Ugh! I don't know why it's not working. Well, that's good enough. Well, see, that's how it landed when I tried. Well, it was all the way up here, but it landed like folded like that. And I had to do that to win. So it landed like this. Brother's airplane was right here. Well, it was like right here, actually. And then I just had to fold it. And there we go. This is Air Glide. It is... I hope you like this video.